Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you where to go inside of your Gmail account in order to set up an out-of-office or vacation auto reply. To get started, head to mail.google.com and make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. At the home screen or inbox, click the Settings gear button on the top right and then select See All Settings. In here, scroll all the way to the bottom where you'll see Vacation Responder. Turn on the autoresponder and then enter the date you want it to begin. You have two options for when you want it to end. You can either check the next box and give the autoresponder a date to stop at, or you can leave it unchecked and manually turn the auto reply off when you get back in. Next, type your subject that you want to appear when it replies back to the sender. In the next box, type your away message with the details on when you'll be back, who to contact if there's an emergency, or whatever you'd like. Finally, you have a checkbox for if you only want the auto reply to be sent to people who are in your contacts. If you want it to be sent to anyone who emails you, keep this unchecked. Click Save Changes when you're finished. Now back in your inbox homepage, you'll see at the top that the out-of-office auto reply is turned on. You can then adjust your out-of-office settings by clicking Vacation Settings, or you can stop the auto reply when you get back to the office by hitting End Now. And that's how you set up and turn on an out-of-office or vacation auto reply inside of Gmail. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.